Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make an image clickable in Webflow, directing visitors to another website, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to add a link to an image in Webflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any image into an interactive element that transports your users anywhere you want them to go just with a click. Let's dive right in. First things first, in Webflow you can't just slap a link directly onto an image. You need to use something called a link block. Think of the link block as an invisible container, like a see-through button that you can put anything inside of. In our case, we'll be placing an image inside this link block so the whole thing becomes clickable. So to get started, head over to your Webflow Designer. On the left sidebar, find the little plus button that's your add panel. Scroll until you find link block. Go ahead and drag a link block onto your page wherever you want your clickable image to appear. This is a small but super important step. If you just use the regular image element, it won't be clickable by itself. The link block is what gives your image that interactive power. Now with your link block sitting on the canvas, you'll see an area inside that says drop an element here. Click inside the block, head back to your add panel, and this time grab the image element. Drag it inside your link block. You should see the image snap right into place. At this point, your image is nestled neatly inside the link block. In other words, you've wrapped your image with this invisible clickable area. If you've ever seen a clickable banner on a website, this is exactly how it's set up behind the scenes. Next comes linking it to a destination. Let's say you want this image to send visitors straight to Google when they click it. Click on your link block on the canvas and a settings panel will appear, usually on your right sidebar. You'll see a field labeled link settings. This is where you'll type or paste your URL. Enter www.google.com or whatever link you want your image to direct to. Take your time here and double check for typos. If you want the link to open in a new tab, just check that little box right below the URL field. It's a good idea if you're linking away from your own website so visitors don't lose their place. Once your link is set up, it's time for the moment of truth, publishing. Head up to the top right and hit that blue Publish button. Webflow will update your chosen domain with the latest changes. This might take a few seconds, so don't worry if it isn't instant. That's totally normal. Now head to your live website by clicking the link that appears after you publish, or by typing your domain directly into your browser. Once the page loads, scroll to where your image is. Give it a click. You should be whisked away to Google or wherever you set your link to point. If it works, give yourself a little pat on the back. If not, just double-check each step. We've all misdragged an element or pasted a link wrong before, so don't stress. And that's it. You've now turned a plain image into a powerful, clickable link in Webflow, ready to direct your visitors wherever you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I keep an eye on all of them and will do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tutorials and web design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.